Hi, my name's Carlos with Brooklyn Motor Works. I'm a third-generation mechanic, and I'm here to show you how to install a KC Highlights light bar on your Jeep Wrangler. eBay Motors has everything. If they don't have it, it does not belong on a car. This should be a relatively straightforward install. We've got 2 brackets that have to be mounted on the window pillars, 6 bolts. And then we have the light bar with 2 bolts on either side. The wires we're gonna run behind the window bracket, down behind the firewall, and we're gonna install a switch by the driver's side to operate the lights, and we're ready to go. Just removed the old floodlights, getting ready to install the new light bar kit. The kit comes with these interesting little neoprene gaskets that are notoriously difficult to keep in position while you're fitting the bracket. What I like to do is use a little bit of clear tape to hold them in position and line the holes up. At the end of the day, you have the options to really get creative and really express yourself. eBay Motors allows you to make your car yours.